Hi guys, my name is Queenette and I dey here with
MC Banuso, the comedy son of comedy, is Royal Talkative online Zaddy.
And we dey here for entertainment crew. Yes, so another matter one bring come and one bring that evangelist, that popular evangelist where they just arrest with 3 others for Abeokuta. Now we won't bring come. They say na popular one, not be just any other person. This one they know. And his name na Evangelist Adelabi Abayomi. And then Casho say all more the kind things where this man and in people they do. So they'll come this Aja area, and when they reach there, they get buses where they'll carry people like say then they load passengers. You know. Aja. You say we no. You call raw enter. You no say na one chance. Now not be one chance they call that kind of thing.
One chance.
When you don't enter, they go. The call can you go? Whether now Oshodi they go before you know you don't reach Abeokuta. You don't pass. They don't give you extra. You don't reach where you don't reach Abeokuta. What they will call do for Abeokuta them? They call. They get POS. Yes. Or if you go with your ATM card, they'll just withdraw money. If you no go any they want to do, they call your family. Say, oh Benny, we don't cashamo. Make una bring money. Now so how would you get talk for this matter?
You see all this kind some fake pastor don't spoil a lot of work for real pastor. The real pastor will say God call them. So now call God really call them. Because me like this motto all this car with stuff I dey fear to enter all this anyhow boss. Anytime I dey work out for night. If you kidnap in a bad market. Na bad market. Nobody will feel call. Nobody go.
Your four beggars are the hungry. Muna give me Gary.
Unless you want make Oga kill me for there. No, as I day, you know, so sometimes maybe I go they go. That's why, especially Lagos State, we need to go to a registered motor park if they go anywhere.
You dey talk say registered motor park.
Yes.
No be for normal BRT. Now they kidnap that girl that year.
That one, you know, even
carry and they go where they should not know.
Carry me to go.
Not see that kind of. You know.
So please, you know, at least that one will still make you dey comfortable. No be say you go
inside where they carry they go.
No be say they no carry they go.
You dey go show they carry you go Abeokuta. You dey.
Now free transport be that one where you never go before. You know that you are exploring
places.
You are exploring. Now so it be because anytime me like this night I dey enter bike where for night. So I know say bike before you go do anything. That mean or you can see say you don't dey
enter where.
Even me I be. If I give you better slap, me and you go fall for bike.
Now come roaring.
But no carry bike.
But if you hold gun, no call. If you hold gun.
Oh gun they fear me. You go show me gun. You know what in Nigeria don't show me. You want to tell me say person they may you carry acid. You know they work on me again. So please let's just be careful. Be careful and please anywhere where you they go, let your family know. Say I'm going to so place and they come no be address. If
they come carry go I no know, just they shout for WhatsApp. Hey Pep, don't carry me go I no know.
Go
come, Twitter.
No be address. Hey, and they come and they go that place no be address. That place no be address. Please let your family know your whereabouts. No be say you go call lost. They will call the. I know what you say tomorrow you come out or especially all those girls. Maybe say you go come out go to sleep for guy house. You go to tell your friends say I they come. I want to reach one place.
One place another place.
I know one day here say we stand for Chioma, justice for Calabar, justice for Tebonk. I know one day.
Kill and survive. Waiting they worry.
Justice for.
They fight trouble.
Sorry.
Talk another one.
So now so the tip, please let's just be careful. Let's stay safe, please. Now so now that's and for all those pastors, please fear God. People know they even they fear God again. We don't understand just because of what money. We don't bring this money come. We know take and go. Please, if you go just see money when we say you save no fee spend your next of kin the night or that day when you die go don't ball for club. I will call the call. Ladies and gentlemen, a make up billion van now your money. Oh God.
As they call them,
do me. So what do you say, evangelist? You will die one day. You say evangelist.
I go wicked person. You come. You come. And again, people, say people no go know where the man. They also say the man just get money.
Just get money.
They say na just offering. God call am. God dey bless am. No say himself dey put hand from that thing.
No be so.
Not everybody dey copy. You see person dey use Rolls Royce. They do. You say you don't finish.
Some people no go use Rolls Royce.
You fit kidnap person. You fit cut person neck. You fit go stand for bus stop 3 a.m. say you dey find customer hook up. You fit do am just dey look your own small.
Just dey do your work.
Your own mafia go alago abi how dey take
maybe ma wo ago alago ṣiṣẹ́.
Good.
Abeg no be say just work dey say even when you build house buy motor buy this born 25 pikin if you dey die that day na only you. Na only you. Nobody. You know say na before house wey you build once you die like this they'll carry you come out for that house. Carry you outside. If night don come they no go out say
one person dey outside wey never bring
and you dey outside na you build the house.
Na you build the house. Don't go say whether they don bring you come. Once you gbé lágbájá wọlé ni. Na lie.
Just talk am like that o.
Alright, so the matter come link up to Celestial Church of Christ. And those who don't come and come to say abeg our hand no dey there, we don't know anything about this man.
The church might not be registered.
His church, right? Might not be registered.
Yes.
Now wow. That's so the matter take bio. No dey use now dey spoil other people. So let no dey be like that now. Because they all dey kidnap person now just because one man. Alright, so we don't bring the matter come to an end from here. Make una dey subscribe, make una like, make una share, comment. Anything happen for your area, tell us to send that to us. If you want to do anything, one more will hail you to send that to us, go hail you to. We dey say bye from this angle.
Peace out.